Well, I'd say I've got my hands full with this one, but it's time to build one badass CR250 that's going to one of you when it's done. Let's get started. The CR250 teardown certainly went a whole lot more smoothly than that of the KX250, and really the only big hiccup was the fact that I accidentally ruined the linkage arm. The linkage bolt is seized, and when I hit it with my impact wrench, it bent the linkage arm before moving the bolt. You live and you learn. I have a pretty solid vision for this bike already, and truthfully, many of these parts are being replaced with upgrades. I really like the look of the newest CRF body style, so I have decided to go with the TX Race Restyle kit for this bike. I say this every build, but I really think this CR could be my best build yet. I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store, so be sure to subscribe to the channel to follow along with this build. And if you want a chance to win this bike when it's done, you can tap or click the link on screen or in the description to get yourself entered. Also, there have unfortunately been some spam comments on my channel recently telling people that they've won a bike. Guys, I will never notify you via YouTube comments that you've won a bike. I will be doing some additional giveaways throughout this build series, and for those, I will notify you in the comments, but from there, we'll communicate through Instagram. My handle is @KincaidPavage. Anything else is a scam, and don't let yourself be fooled. In fact, for today's video, we've got a giveaway from Super Clean. The winner will receive a bottle of original Super Clean as well as this foaming aerosol. I have this powder-coated workbench top in my shop, and I found Super Clean is the best way to remove all that dirt, grime, grease, and oils from it without a hassle. If you could benefit from a nice quality degreaser in your shop, leave me a creative comment about the CR250 using the words Super Clean and include your Instagram handle. One more thing. I recently uploaded what I think is one of the best videos I've ever made. It's a 30-minute short film documenting our recent mountain bike trip to Canada, and it totally flopped on my channel. If you guys find yourself with 30 free minutes in the near future and want to see some rad mountain biking and good times, that video is linked on screen, and it would mean a lot to me if you guys could check it out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next build episode of the CR250.